Welcome to the Learning Ascent. I'm Natalie.
And I'm Michael.
In today's episode, we're going to share 80 essential English sentences that you can confidently use in real-life conversations, whether at home, at work, shopping, traveling, or even in professional meetings.
That's right. We'll not only tell you the sentence, but also explain what it means and give you real-life examples so you can use them naturally. By the end of this episode, you'll have practical phrases that make your English more fluent, confident, and polite.
Let's begin with greetings and casual openers. These are sentences you'll use every single day.
Here's the first one. Small world, isn't it? Meaning, it's surprising to meet someone in an unexpected place. You run into an old friend at an airport on the other side of the world.
Another one is, what have you been up to lately? Meaning a warm way to ask about someone's life updates. Use it when you meet a classmate, colleague, or friend after some time.
Or you might say, it's been ages, meaning we haven't seen each other for a long time. It often carries a friendly tone of nostalgia.
Here's one that's polite and simple. You're looking well, meaning you look healthy and happy. It's a safe compliment.
And a professional yet warm one, how's everything on your end? Meaning, how are things going for you? Great for workplace conversations.
Then we have, can't complain really, meaning, I'm fine, life isn't amazing, but nothing's wrong either.
Or, same old, meaning, nothing new, life is the same as usual.
Another useful one, been keeping busy, meaning, I've had a lot to do lately.
At the end of a chat, you might say, nice catching up, meaning, it was good to reconnect.
Or, drop me a message sometime, meaning, let's stay in touch.
Now let's move to shopping and service situations.
For example, could you tell me more about this one? Meaning, can you give me more details about this product?
Or, is there a warranty included? Meaning, does this come with a guarantee?
Here's another. Do you offer any discounts? Meaning, can I get a better price?
When trying clothes, can I try this on?
If something is too expensive, say, that's a bit outside my budget.
Need more time? Let me think about it.
Not ready to buy yet? I'll come back for it later.
Looking for variety, do you have this in a different color?
Uncertain about the fit? Can I return this if it doesn't fit?
Or politely decline. I think I'll leave it, thanks.
Next, let's practice sentences for eating out.
You might ask, could we get a table by the window if possible?
Or, when ordering, I'll have the grilled salmon, please.
Need more time? Would you mind giving us a few more minutes?
Want takeaway? Could we get this to go?
If there's a mistake, excuse me, I think this isn't what I ordered.
About the bill. Is service included?
Exploring drinks? Could I see the wine list, please?
For allergies, I have a food allergy. Does this contain nuts?
Show appreciation. Everything was fantastic, thank you.
And when paying, can we get separate checks?
Now, let's move to the office and professional conversations.
A common one, let's touch base later this week. Meaning, let's connect again soon.
Or, could you clarify what you meant by that? Meaning, please explain more clearly.
Confirming details. Just to double check, we're meeting at 2, right?
If you can't attend, I'm afraid I won't be able to make it.
Need to change timing? Would it be possible to reschedule?
For emails, let me loop you in on this email.
Appreciating ideas. That's a great point. I hadn't thought of it that way.
Pausing a topic? Let's table that for now.
Taking responsibility. I'm happy to take the lead on this.
Or buying time. Let me get back to you on that.
Finally, let's look at making plans with friends or colleagues.
You can start with, are you free this weekend?
Or invite casually, do you want to grab a coffee sometime?
Not sure about your schedule? Let me check my calendar.
If you need to cancel, I might have to take a rain check.
Uncertain plans? Let's play it by ear.
Showing agreement? Sounds good to me.
Too tired? I'm not really feeling up to it today.
Rescheduling politely? Could we push it back a bit?
Tentative planning? Let's pencil it in.
And that brings us to the end of today's episode. You've learned 80 essential English sentences for everyday life, shopping, dining, work, and social plans.
Remember, don't just memorize them. Practice them aloud. Use them in real situations, and they'll soon become natural for you.
This was the Learning Ascent.
Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode.